D45 DRC. This is the repair, showing you how to change the tire and do a little inspection at the same time. It's showtime! Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. If not, they give you a supplied one. And what I have here is a magnetizer, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Magnetizing my screws. 1, 2, 3, done. Now what we're going to be doing is coming over here, placing in the screwdriver. You're going to feel it catch, righty-tighty, follow your thumb. So you want to go lefty-loosey. That's counterclockwise. Grab the tire, counterclockwise, taking the tire off. You're going to find a number of replacement screws in the package. And they don't match up at all to anything of the size of the tire wheel, so please don't lose them. With one hand underneath, one hand over the wheel, just give a little wiggle and a little pull up. You notice this is a hexagon, and that's why it takes a little time to get off. Look over your wheel. You could do this on the car. Take note, this is the way it's on the other side. As you match them up, they're like for like. The treads are even the same. And if you reverse like so, they are identical. Take note of the wheel is wide on the back, narrow on the front. You're going to need the exact replacements from DRC if the tire ever rips. To change the tire is simply pushing on the wheel and it comes off. Let me show you that again. Do that again for you. Your two thumbs on the back, your fingers in the front, just push like so, and the wheels come off. And then you go on the back, you do the same thing, you push down, and you can take the wheel off. You have air holes over here and here. If these tabs break, your tire is going to slide off, and there are tabs all over the place. You inspect the rim, look around, look inside, look outside. Place back on as simple as laying the tire over, pushing down, snapping the rim into place. It may take you a couple of tries to do this. Turn around, make sure these tabs that the tire falls over. Give a little pinch, go over the tab, and over the tab. Hold the wheel, and you can see the tire move. You don't need glue. It's strong enough to hold. Before putting the wheel on, you have your shock. If you ever need to replace the shock, you have to take the wheel off. I am tightening up my shocks. I'm tightening up this little bolt over here. I'm tightening up the bolts, if there are any, over here. Inspect everything, make sure everything looks good, and then you're ready to put on your wheel by matching the hex up, sliding the tire over, pushing down, placing in the screw, and righty-tighty. Hold the wheel. As you feel it tightening, you are done. You may inspect all the other wheels as well and go over the whole car, and that is the beauty of changing a tire. The spare, it cannot be put on any of the wheels. It is only for cosmetics. I hope you enjoy your DRC D45. If you need to get a new spare tire, please please contact support and they'd be more than happy to help you out. Enjoy your car. I am Fish. Have a good one.